My name is Yorck Einhaus. I'm a former Chief Data Officer and Chief Information Officer, and I've spent more than 20 years leading enterprise data, AI, and technology transformations across global insurance organizations. I've had the privilege of building and scaling data teams across North America, Europe, and Asia, and have led global organizations of more than 200 data professionals. What I've learned is simple. High-performing global data teams don't happen by accident. They're intentionally designed, empowered, and aligned to business value. Let me share 3 principles that have made the biggest difference in my experience. Point 1, anchor the team around business value. The first principle is clarity of purpose. High-performing data teams are not built around tools, platforms, or org charts. They're built around clear business outcomes. Every team member should be able to answer one question. How does my work create value for the customer, for the partners, or for the business? When data initiatives are explicitly tied to growth, profitability, or customer experience, teams move faster, they prioritize better, and they stay engaged. As leaders, our role is to constantly connect data strategy to real-world impact and reinforce that connection every day. Point 2, build a team of teams operating model. The second principle is how teams work together. In global environments, scale doesn't come from central control. It comes from trust, shared standards, and local accountability. I strongly believe in a team of teams model. Global alignment on governance, data standards, and architecture, etc., combined with empowered local teams who are close to the business. This model increases the speed, improves adoption, and allows innovation to happen where it matters most, while still maintaining enterprise consistency. And point 3 is invest in people, not just in technology. The third principle is people first. Technology enables transformation, but in the end, people deliver it. So high-performing data teams thrive when leaders listen, create psychological safety, and actively invest in skill development and career growth. That means developing strong data leaders at every level, encouraging experimentation, and giving teams room to learn from failure. When people feel trusted and supported, they take ownership and performance follows. So my conclusion and my call to action is to lead high-performing global data teams, focus on 3 things. Anchor everything in business value, design for collaboration through a team of teams model, and lead with a deep commitment to your people. If you get those right, data becomes more than an asset. It becomes a true competitive advantage. Thank you, and I encourage you to reflect on how your data teams are set up today and what one change you could make to unlock their full potential.